Hello, and welcome to the third installment of AMAX Education. Now, so far we've talked about contextual learning of new vocabulary words. We've talked about prefix, suffix acquisition. Now we're going to talk about phonetics. Now, what are phonetics? Well, these are the sounds that are made for each language. And as you learn English, no doubt you see the difference between the phonetics of your language and English. So there are certain sounds that are made in some languages, in some cultures, that it makes it difficult to transition into learning English. So what we'd like to do is kind of break down the phonetics chart and explain why it's important to know phonetics. First off, we can separate out our phonetics chart into two categories. We have vowel sounds and consonant sounds. Now, vowel sounds can be separated into two categories. We have monophthong sounds and dipthong sounds. So, what are monophthong sounds? Well, the word mono means one, so it is one sound. So let me give you an example. The word ship, S-H-I-P. The I in the word ship makes one sound, I. Now, notice the difference, though, in the word I-C-E, the different sound the I makes. Ice, ice. Now, if you listen closely to the I, it sounds like two sounds in one. E, E. So the I in ice is called a diphthong. Diphthong vowel sounds make two sounds together. Monophthong, one sound. Now, let's move on to consonants. Now, consonants can also be categorized in two different ways. We have voiced consonant sounds and non-voiced consonant sounds. Now, this can be a real challenge in some languages. For instance, the V and the W sound can be confused in Slavic languages and some other languages. Then the TH sound is very difficult for people to make, as in this, that, these, those. So knowing these phonetic sounds can help in your acquisition of correct pronunciation of English. But let's go back to voiced and non-voiced. So I'm going to use an example here that illustrates what these are. So we have the word or the letter F and the letter V. And you notice my mouth doesn't change for both those sounds. It's the same mechanics, F and V. What's the difference? Well, when my breath travels out of my mouth between my front or top teeth and my bottom lip, for the F, there's no vibration on the lip. But for the V sound, you feel a little bit of vibration, don't you? So the F is called non-voiced because there is no distinct sound or vibration on the lip. The V is voiced because you do feel the vibration. So that's one example of voiced and non-voiced, but for every consonant sound there is an equal voice and non-voiced sound. So it's important to understand this, especially in the beginning as you start to pronounce words in English. So this is just a short tutorial to help you appreciate this. If you have any questions, you can contact my email address at amaxey, M-A-X-E-Y, 97@gmail.com. You can find me on Facebook at Andrew Maxey, or you can visit my website at amaxeducation.com. Look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.